Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. In this video, we are going to study about vector product or cross product. Vector or cross product of two vectors. The vector product of the vectors A bar and B bar is denoted by A bar cross B bar, and we can write it as mod of A into mod of B into sine theta into n cap, or we can write it as AB sine theta n cap, where A is mod of A and B is mod of B. That is, the mod indicates the magnitude of the vectors. Theta is the angle between the vectors A bar and B bar, and n cap is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar, such that A bar, B bar and n cap form a right-handed triad of vectors. Important points to be remembered. Let A bar be A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap and B bar be B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. So we can find the cross product A bar cross B bar, which we can denote as C bar. This is written in the determinant form, I cap, J cap, K cap on the first row. On the second row, we write the components of the vector A bar as A1, A2, A3. On the third row, we write the components of vector B bar, that is B1, B2, B3. And then we have to solve this determinant in this way, with the help of this equation, that is A2 B3 minus A3 B2 into I cap plus A3 B1 minus A1 B3 into J cap plus A1 B2 minus A2 B1 into K cap. These are some points that can be studied about the vector product. We can write down, or we can find out the unit vector n cap as A bar cross B bar divided by mod of A cross B bar. Then vector product of two unit vectors, I cap cross I cap is equal to J cap cross J cap is equal to K cap cross K cap is equal to 0. And I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap, and J cap cross K cap is equal to I cap, and K cap cross I cap is J cap. Vector product is not commutative. B bar cross A bar is equal to minus A bar cross B bar. This is the distributive law. Now we will see some numerical problems. If A bar is equal to 3I cap minus J cap minus 2K cap, B bar is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap, find mod of A bar cross B bar. Hence, find a vector of magnitude 6 and perpendicular to the plane defined by A bar and B bar. So we will find the cross product A bar cross B bar in the determinant form. This is I cap, J cap, K cap. On the second row, we write down the components of vector A bar, that is 3 minus 1 minus 2. On the third row, we write down the components of the vector B bar, that is 2, 3, 1. And now we solve the determinant in this way. I cap into minus 1 plus 6 minus J cap into 3 plus 4 plus K cap into 9 plus 2. Solving this, we get 5I cap minus 7J cap plus 11K cap, which we can denote as C bar. So this vector product A bar cross B bar, we are denoting it as C bar. So we can find the mod of C bar, which is mod of A bar cross B bar, that is square root of 5 square plus minus 7 square plus 11 square, that is square root of 25 plus 49 plus 121, that is equal to 195, square root of 195, approximately equal to 14. Therefore, the required vector perpendicular to the plane defined by A bar and B bar is the unit vector, that is C cap, that will be equal to C bar upon mod of C bar, and we can substitute C bar, this vector 5i cap minus 7j cap plus 11k cap, and mod of C bar we have calculated, that is 14, so divided by 14, and then we can write it this as 5 upon 14 I cap minus 7 upon 14 j cap plus 11 upon 14 k cap. The vector of magnitude 6 will be 6 into c cap. So we will multiply the vector c cap with 6, and that will be 15 by 7 I cap minus 3 by 7 j cap plus 33 upon 7 k cap. This is minus 3 j cap. If A bar is equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap, B bar is 2i cap plus k cap, C bar is equal to j cap minus 3k cap, prove that A bar cross B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross C bar. So first you find B bar cross C bar for the LHS, left hand side. So 2i cap plus k cap plus j cap minus 3k cap is 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So we will write down the LHS, that will be equal to the determinant form I cap j cap k cap 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 2. So that will be I cap into 2 minus 1 minus j cap into minus 2 minus 2 plus k cap into 1 plus 2. Solving this we get I cap plus 4j cap plus 3k cap. This is the left hand side. Now we will find the RHS. On that first we will find out A bar cross B bar in the determinant form. Solving this we get minus I plus j cap plus 2k cap. Also we will find A bar cross C bar. We write it in the determinant form. We solve it and we get 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Now we can find the RHS. So adding up the vectors, minus I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap plus 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, we get I cap plus 4j cap plus 3k cap, and we can see that the LHS is equal to RHS. Next problem is find the area of the triangle having vertices A with coordinates 1, 3, 2 or components 1, 3, 2 for the vertex B. The coordinates are 2, minus 1 and 1, and for C it is minus 1, 2, 3. So we can find out AB bar as 2 minus 1 into I cap, that is we are subtracting the components, respective components, plus minus 1 minus 3 into j cap plus 1 minus 2 into k cap. So that is I cap minus 4 j cap minus k cap. Same way now we will find AC bar, and that comes as minus 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So area of the triangle with the sides AB bar and AC bar can be found as half into mod of AB bar cross AC bar. So we have to take the cross product of these two vectors AB bar cross AC bar. So we will write it down in the determinant form and we will surround it or enclose it with the mod. Solving the determinant we get this. So the vector is minus pi I cap plus j cap minus 9k cap. We have to find its mod, that is a magnitude. So that will be half into square root of minus pi square plus 1 square plus minus 9 square. So that will be square root of 25 plus 1 plus 81, and you get half into square root of 107. Thank you for watching this video.